This is fine for now.
I would like to specify a little bit the title of this, because I think what we mean is that we should be able to set the round completion notifications type. So what
Yeah,
kind of notification we want to define.
yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
Okay.
Could be
and
an email, Slack. I don't know. Could be
Yeah.
many things, right?
Yeah.
Happy everyone with this one? Okay, let's
Yes.
move on. Okay, so
Maybe we can have a default for that, like sound.
okay, let's put there default sound.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We can open up another box in there if we go for ringtones.
we will open it when it's the right time.
Yeah, I agree.
Yes.
So I don't. Oh no. So when a break starts, it's sort of already when the round ends, right? It's more in here. I've got doubts that we want when a break starts and ends. It's more when it ends, right? Than it when it.
Both, because you need to differentiate when you have to start a new round or when you are starting a break.
Oh, okay. Let's do that. So maybe I'm gonna copy because it's gonna be very, very, very similar. So maybe this is two user stories in here, right?
Yeah, they are too.
Okay. In order to allow on a round as a mobile, like when a break starts.
Yes,
guys...
but I think.
Alex.
Yeah, sorry. I just wanted to separate those two stories, but yes, you obviously ended up on my on my return. Fine.
It's very dangerous to help the driver.
Yes.
If I was there, I would have chopped your little finger.
Yeah, we know how kind you are.
All right. So do you want to separate those two? I don't know how.
Yes, but I would say in order to allow a
relaxed break,
right? Yeah.
To allow a relaxed break. No, in here, no. That's this one. Oh no. Wait.
No, that was correct.
The title of the second story.
It was correct. In order to allow to have a relaxed break, yeah, in the first part, and then in order to stop a relaxed break.
To allow, in order to
stop,
refocus the mob back on the task.
I think that's redundant because the role is already defined on the next line.
Yeah, in order to refocus back on the task.
Okay.
As a mob. Cool.
Yeah,
I think you should put a title on this story, right?
Okay.
So you should be able to notify of break start.
Yes.
And then the next one, you should be able to notify of break.
Yes. We call this refactoring extract feature.
Yeah, extract feature. I like that.
So, 4 to go.
Should be able to display round progress.
Okay. In order to be able to display a round.
No, progress. I don't think that's the value. That's the action. Displaying the round progress is the action. Why?
In order to know the remaining round time.
And what's the value of knowing the remaining round time?
Yes.
What's the value of looking at the hour?
It allows us to plan, right?
But,
for example, we say, okay, it's 1 minute left let's not start a new thing. Let's discuss this and wait for the next round to start something new.
Okay. In order to
Organize the work, maybe.
In order to organize a round. Yeah.
Yeah.
Or organize work
for a task.
For a task. Yeah.
As a mob.
Oh yeah, I forgot that.
I would like to be able to see.
To see.
The remaining runtime.
Okay. The remaining.
But that's different from the story, because the story says the round progress. And it shows the clock. So it's not the remaining round time. It should be something visual probably that shows either.
Okay, so you know what? The remaining.
I tell you how it looks like. It looks very similar to this.
We can do this, and we are both happy. Yeah, yes. We display the clock.
Yes, but we shouldn't specify that in the story, right? Because we want to decouple the presentation layer from the value. We don't want to change. We don't want to change the story if we change the UI, right?
Yeah, I see.
The story is the time left.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but I agree with Alex. Let's keep the user story a bit neutral according to the UI. So do you like this? In order to organize work for a task as a mob, I would like to be able to see the round progress as time. Sounds good.
The time left explains what the round progress as time means.
I think that's by the scenarios.
Yeah, maybe. Okay, I can take this away. I can take note. I'll take note of the clock.
Mm-hmm.
I'll put it in note. Okay. Okay, let's go for the next one.
Okay, give me a second. I have to turn the lights on, otherwise it looks like I'm going on fire.
I've been like that for a long time.
Yeah.
Hate to say.
You can put a filter.
It's too late.
Yeah, no, I know, but it's getting worse and worse. I mean, in a minute, I'm gonna look like, completely burned. So let's see if this is a bit better.
That's better. That's better.
Okay.
You're still red, but...
Yes, but at least I'm not on fire.
You eat a chili.
Yeah. Okay.
Cool. So, should rotate rolls on the end of a round. In order to... We've already discussed this, why we want to rotate.
Yeah,
in order to switch roles quickly.
In order to switch... Oh, okay. Switch roles smoothly. I'm going to choose a word I can't type.
Nice.
Is it correct?
Yeah, but switch. There is a T somewhere.
Ah. As a mob, I would like to be notified.
Yeah.
Notified. On who takes what role.
Should we split this into features, one for the driver and one for the navigator? Or just keep it like this and have more stories about this?
I do not agree with this.
No? Mm-hmm. Okay, so I stop.
What do you mean?
It's the same thing. You switch what you have active, right? It's the same story.
Could be we could implement them. It could be two things that we implement differently. Yeah, it could be two deliverables. You see,
So maybe you keep the driver and change the navigator, or keep the navigator and change the driver, or you change both.
We need to make a decision. For me,
I will keep it simple.
We'll keep both of them, and then maybe in the future we decide. Let's take a note in here.
I think it's it's a complication. I'm not sure.
You described this scenario like in the beginning of the session.
Yeah, that's why. I'll keep it like a note.
Yeah, yes. We can specify these in the scenarios. There's no need for
Yeah,
duplication.
exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll keep it
Maybe
in
if it
here.
becomes two stories, we might understand when we groom it
Yeah.
and decide to split it. But by
Yeah.
the time
Yeah.
we,
The point is that the point that I wanted to make is that you you had a good point saying, oh, maybe I want to change just one of them and not the other, or maybe I'm the only one. So there's no two people. The point is that it looked like in the beginning when we didn't decide about this scenario, there was a coupling in there that now is understood, and hiding that knowledge, okay, makes the formulation simpler, but actually it's like kind of lying. And this is something that happens in the code as well, right? When you don't identify an idea and then you have coupling and you don't realize why it can't be expressive in my code, and that's because there is a hidden coupling, connaissance maybe of some type, that is more subtle because it's about the meaning and not the relationship between the classes and the objects.
here we might end up in a scenario of shotgun surgery or repetition of two things. But to be honest, for the high level we are talking about this, I think it's premature to take a
Yeah,
decision
yeah,
about
Leave the
absolutely.
note in there. The note
Yeah.
is there, so we don't
I
forget
like
about
I like
this.
the note, but and I like the fact that we captured these possible scenarios for future grooming.
It's there. Once we go into planning, we might decide to split these into smaller things. That's fine. Okay. So the next time is pause time when the round ends. So this is something the system should do by itself, right?
well, in order to track the time correctly.
As a mob, I would like the time to stop counting when a round ends. Sounds good?
Yeah.
And let's do the last one. Oh, so this should also go to the setup, I guess.
Yeah.
Go up.
Fly up.
Oh, already had this start. Okay.
This is the hard stop thing.
Yes. So in order to respect other
Some scheduling.
yes.
Other mobbers or all mobbers schedules. I don't know if I typed this correctly.
That's correct.
Poof. It's the first time I write this correctly. Not respect most schedules, as I would like to set a total duration for a session.
Or I think Marco was talking about a hard time, like 2 in the afternoon should stop.
Oh, okay.
It's the same. To set, yeah.
Or to set an end time.
Yeah.
Is this more according to what you were looking?
Yeah, you can put inside brackets total duration or hard stop. Or
Or
It's
total.
fine. We can say, okay, let's stay here 3 hours.
Yes.
Yeah.
3 hours.
So you want to-
until time.
Yeah, so like either time boxing or deadline, basically.
Yeah. Okay.
Nice.
So I think we
And
came up with a lot of user stories from here.
Yeah.
you can already see one little thing that even the most stupid application requires some effort and thinking in order to
Yeah.
be set up in a
Yeah,
good.
there's quite a bit of work to get this going. Yeah. Shall we stop here?
Yes.
Yeah, now we are ready to code. So that's gonna happen the next time, right?
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. This is the end of the video for today. Thank you so much for joining us. It's time to say goodbye. We'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like if you like the video. And if you really want to keep up to date on what we're doing, don't forget to subscribe and buy the book. We need the money. Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye. Thank you.